maze, labyrinth. Mead, a meadow. Meager, scanty. Mealy-mouthed, afraid to express facts or opinions plainly. Meander, to wind and turn while proceeding in a course. Mechanics, the branch of physics that treats the phenomena caused by the action of forces. Medallion, a large medal. Meddlesome, interfering. Medial, of or pertaining to the middle. Mediate, to effect by negotiating as an agent between parties. Medicine, a substance possessing or reputed to possess curative or remedial properties. Medieval, belonging or relating to or descriptive of the Middle Ages. Mediocre, ordinary. Meditation, the turning or revolving of a subject in the mind. Medley, a composition of different songs or parts of songs arranged to run as a continuous whole. Meliorate, to make better or improve, as in quality or social or physical condition. Mellifluous, sweetly or smoothly flowing. Melodious, characterized by a sweet succession of sounds. Melodrama, a drama with a romantic story or plot and sensational situation and incidents. Memento, a souvenir. Memorable, noteworthy. Menace, a threat. Menagerie, a collection of wild animals, especially when kept for exhibition. Mendacious, untrue. Mendicant, a beggar. Mentality, intellectuality. Mentor, a wise and faithful teacher, guide, and friend. Mercantile, conducted or acting on business principles, commercial. Mercenary, greedy. Merciful, disposed to pity and forgiveness. Merciless, cruel. Meretricious, alluring by false or gaudy show. Mesmerize, to hypnotize. Messeurs, gentlemen. Metal, an element that forms a base by combining with oxygen, is usually hard, heavy, and lustrous. Metallurgy, the art or science of extracting a metal from ores, as by smelting. Metamorphosis, a passing from one form or shape into another. Metaphor, a figure of speech in which one object is likened to another by speaking as if the other. Metaphysical, philosophical. Metaphysician, one skilled in metaphysics. Metaphysics, the principles of philosophy as applied to explain the methods of any particular science. Meet, to apportion. Metempsychosis, transition of the soul of a human being at death into another body, whether human or beast. Meticulous, overcautious. Metonymy, a figure of speech that consists in the naming of a thing by one of its attributes. Metric, relating to measurement. Metronome, an instrument for indicating and marking exact time in music. Metropolis, a chief city, either the capital or the largest or most important city of a state. Metropolitan, pertaining to a chief city. Metal, courage. Meddlesome, having courage or spirit. Microcosm, the world or universe on a small scale. Micrometer, an instrument for measuring very small angles or dimensions. Microphone, an apparatus for magnifying faint sounds. Microscope, an instrument for assisting the eye in the vision of minute objects or features of objects. Microscopic, adapted to or characterized by minute observation. Microscopy, the art of examining objects with the microscope. Midsummer, the middle of the summer. Midwife, a woman who makes a business of assisting at childbirth. Mean, the external appearance or manner of a person. Migrant, wandering. Migrate, to remove or pass from one country, region, or habitat to another. Migratory, wandering. Mileage, a distance in miles. Militant, of a warlike or combative disposition or tendency. Militarism, a policy of maintaining great standing armies. Militate, to have weight or influence in determining a question. Militia, those citizens collectively who are enrolled and drilled in temporary military organizations. Milky Way, the galaxy. Millet, a grass cultivated for forage and cereal. Mimic, to imitate the speech or actions of. Miniature, much smaller than reality or that of the normal size. Minimize, to reduce to the smallest possible amount or degree. Minion, a servile favorite. Ministration, any religious ceremonial. Ministry, a service. Minority, the smaller in number of two portions into which a number or a group is divided. Minute, exceedingly small in extent or quantity. Minutia, a small or unimportant particular or detail. Mirage, an optical effect looking like a sheet of water in the desert. Misadventure, an unlikely accident. Misanthropic, hating mankind. Misanthropy, hatred of mankind. Misapprehend, to misunderstand. Misbehave, to behave ill. Misbehavior, ill or improper behavior. Mischievous, fond of tricks. Miscount, to make a mistake in counting. Miscreant, a villain. Misdeed, a wrong or improper act. Misdemeanor, evil conduct, small crime. Miser, a person given to saving and hoarding unduly. Mishap, misfortune. Misinterpret, to misunderstand. Mislay, to misplace. Mismanage, to manage badly, improperly, or unskillfully. Misnomer, a name wrongly or mistakenly applied. Misogamy, hatred of marriage. Misogyny, hatred of women. Misplace, to put into a wrong place.